Shanghai Temax Hardware, as an experienced furniture hardware supplier, specializes in developing and marketing furniture hardware fittings all over the world, and currently has marketing network involving distribution in more than 35 countries. And we enjoy a high reputation in America, Europe, and Asia countries. We have several years' experience in hardware area, and with annual, we can output $5 million per year. Temax provides 10 series, over 3,000 products, involved in full range of furniture hardware fittings, mainly our cabinet hinges, drawer slide, buffer system, drawer locks, and handles, as we hope to offer customers one-stop business. And the product had approved SGS certification up to European quality standard. And now we also focus on solution for hardware application and customized design and promotion for VIP customers. Reliable quality, flexible service, continuously innovation. Temax is keeping working to improve herself and continually creating value for partners. Based on our rich experiences, professional team, and responsible service system, Temax is also regarded as customers' purchasing office in China. We have team-contained design, QC and after-service people to guarantee every shipment. We expect fruitful cooperation with you in the future. Temax vision to be a reliable brand on supply chain management. Temax values to create the value for customer, supplier, staff, and society. Welcome to Temax.